Today I'm here at 23 Denning. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in the hills of Terra Linda with 1,750 square feet. As we enter through the yellow door, we are immediately greeted by a sliding door that leads out to the large backyard. To our right is a coat closet and a den area with wood-burning fireplace. Large dual-pane windows allow plenty of light. There is a stone masonry fireplace. From here, we enter the kitchen and dining area. We have a dining location with plenty of light, also a sliding door to access the backyard. We have waterfall quartz countertops on the large island with gas stove, stainless steel appliances, and an eat-at storage area on the island. Behind the kitchen is a coffee bar, and the sliding door leads to a media cabinet. Past the kitchen is another sliding door leading out to the large concrete patio. This would be a great place to station television and couch. You can see we have wall panel there for wall mounting a television. This door leads out to the garage, which is a large 2-car garage. The sink over there and hookups for a washer and dryer. Going back across the entry, we have a large coat closet on our left. To our right is the master bedroom with sliding doors leading out to the backyard. The black area is going to have fresh sod installed shortly. There's a wall hookup for the television right there. And then we have a master ensuite with a single vanity with plenty of storage and a large standing shower. Tile flooring. Master bedroom also has a massive walk-in closet. Notice throughout the home as well, we have newly refinished hardwood flooring. The guest bath is quite large with a single vanity and plenty of storage, as well as a shower over the tub and a skylight letting in plenty of natural light. Past the guest bath is one of the other bedrooms. This guest bedroom is easily large enough to fit a queen-size mattress and has a standard size glass rolling closet. The second standard bedroom is also large enough to fit a queen-size mattress and has a standard glass rolling closet. We have a sliding door leading to the backyard. Each sliding door has a screen to keep all the bugs out. It may be hard to see from the video, but this is actually a huge backyard area. All this will have sods shortly. It has a built-in sprinkler system. And then there's a large concrete patio to the side with built-in barbecue. Just an absolutely giant concrete patio. To the hill in the back, we are right next to the Terra Linda Sleepy Hollow divide. So there's actually a trail that you can take to walk to San Anselmo.